NorthWest Handling Systems is the provider of material handling equipment to some of the largest companies in the world. Costco, Starbucks, Amazon, Walmart, you name it.
NorthWest Handling has a unique way of giving technicians the opportunity to advance in life. I became a field service technician, a field foreman, a field service manager, and now I run my own division.
My experience in NorthWest Handling Systems has been challenging in a good way. You meet new people every day, you're constantly making new relationships with customers, which is cool. And just being out in the fresh air, you're not in the same place all the time doing the same thing. You're jumping from customer to customer, working on different brands, different types of lifts, different everything, you know.
That's the best part about the job is you're not going to the same place every day and doing the same thing over and over again.
This is a career opportunity. This company is a company you'll want to stay working for.
Teamwork is the main thing here, you know. If you need help with something, just call. Never feel like you're by yourself.
Other industry settings, they're not so personal, you know. It's a big family setting here. Everybody kind of works together. Everybody's here to help each other.
It's not just a job for us. It's a career that we take really serious.